Are you new to Canva? Avoid these common mistakes. Here are 7 essential tips to make designing effortless, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's start. So here is the first one. Um, if you have multiple layers like this, you are feeling complicated to selecting other layers. Here is the pro tip. You can just hold the control key on your keyboard. I'm using Windows, by the way. Just holding control key and click from your mouse. You will easily select the layers whatever you want, and you can enlarge it or change the color as you so. So we can select color like here, this one, or maybe we can give a gradient color as well. Here is the tip number 2. If you want to add a drop shadow for your elements, I am using a text here. So I'm going to just select a bold text so it will be visible easily. So I have select the text, and if you want to give a drop shadow, let's just click on effects and shadow. After selecting the shadow, you got a couple of options in here, and here you got some pre-made drop shadow template as well, and you can adjust the drop shadow with this. If we just click on this one, as you can see, here is the shadow moving. If we just increase the value of this shadow, it will be go bottom, I mean down, and if you just click on 0, it will be aligned with the text. And the direction will be like this one, as you can see. If we uh, increase the direction, it will be go bottom, as you can see. And if you just click blur, I mean increase the blur, the shadow will be blur. As you can see, the shadow is blurred. If we set it to 0, it will be show like this. And we can control the opacity of your shadow as well from here. As you can see, the shadow isn't really visible. If we just select another color, you can see the shadow is in another color. So in this way you can change your shadow color as well. And here is some others pre-made template styles which you can select from here. Glitch, neon, whatever you like, you can apply in your project. So here is tip number 3. How you can add gradient and whatever color you want in your canvas or any kind of elements. So let's do this for your canvas first. We have selected this canvas. All we have to do, just click on plus button here. We can select a random color whatever we want. We can type the hex code from here as well if we need. Also we can pick color from anywhere, like this one. If you just have any pre-mandatory color, like so, let's say we want to grab this color. All you have to do, just click on eyedropper tool, and we can select the color from here. And you can select the color from here too. We have a gradient color in here. If we just select it here, as you can see, the color is applied. If we want to edit the color, all you have to do, just click on here, and as you can see, here is gradient, and we can see there is two color. If we select on this color, we can change slightly here, and maybe this color too here. as you can see, this gradient color is changed with our predetermined our own selected color. If you want to apply same style or similar kind of gradient color in any of the elements, like I'm selecting this one, grabbing here and making it bigger. Let's say I want to change the color, and let's just make it white, and I want to white to let's say gray color. So I will select this plus icon and click on the gradient, and we have already two colors, some colors here. As you can see, these are linear, left to right, top to bottom, corner to corner, and radial gradient. These are the uses. If we want to change the color like this, we can select this as well, and we can also add another color in here. Here you go. So as you can see, this is how we can change the color, uh, color to gradient or solid color, whatever you want. Now tip number 4 is moving elements. Let's say we have this shape. We want to move this. We can move it with the mouse, but if we want to move this with keyboard, we can do so with the arrow key. If we just press down arrow key, it's moving down. If we press up, it's moving up. If we just selecting one key at a time, it will be move 1 pixel once. So if you want to move it like 10 pixel at a time, so all you have to do, press shift and down left or whatever, whenever I mean whatever move you want to do. So I'm taking this to up, so I'm holding shift and up arrow key, and if we just shift and down, it will be down by 10 pixel for each click. Okay, so here is tip number 5, how you can upload an image in Canva faster. All you have to do, just let me just do the regular way what people do. Whatever file you want to upload, normal people just click on upload here and click upload files and upload any images whatever they want, like this one. But I have another quick tip for you, which I will show you in a bit. All you have to do, just wherever your file is, just open it and select it, drag and drop, and that's it. That's how your image or file you can easily upload it Canva. So tip number 6 is how you can zoom or zoom out in Canva. The easier way is like this one. As you can see, if we just hold and scroll this this button, you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can select it from here as well. If you select fit, it will be fit like this, and if you select fill, it will be fill your monitor. But I have another two ways how you can move. I mean, you can zoom in or out. If you press control and plus icon from your keyboard, it will zoom in, and if you place my control and minus icon in your keyboard, it will zoom out like this one. And another way is, if you just hold control and rotate your mouse wheel to upward or down, it will be zoom in and zoom out. So all you have to do, just try it, whatever techniques you prefer, you can do so. Tip number 7, how you can align easily and perfectly. As you can see here I have three layers of text. If we want to align this, all you have to do, just select all of the text and click on position. And if we select tidy up, it will be like this, or horizontally, it will be horizontally aligned. If we use vertically, it will be vertically aligned. So we want to align it left, so just click on left, it will be align in left. Or if you want to align it top like this one, this one aren't really going well. Let's add some element so you can understand better. Let's make it shorter and make the color white maybe. Yeah, make it more smaller, and I am making it smaller, sorry, making it more bigger the screen size so you can understand it. So I will duplicate it. Just press alt button in your keyboard. By the way, this is another trick as well. And I am just holding alt and copying the shapes. So here you can see there are a bunch of shapes which aren't really aligned well. If we want to these four shapes align on top, we have to do just go to position and click on top. It will be aligned top. And maybe we can align these three. By the way, if you want to click and drag, it will be select all of the shapes. But if you want to if you want to select random shapes, just click and shift, hold the shift button and select the shapes. So I want to select this, align these three shapes on left. So I will just click position and click left. It will be aligned left. And I'm giving hitting Ctrl G, so it will be go back to previous position. And if we want to select these three and make it center, it will be center. If we want to make it middle like this one, these three, it will be align middle. And if we want to make these three, maybe this one also align bottom, this will be bottom. And you can understand it by then. So I believe you can understand it how it works. So if you want to make this align on right, you can do it by this way. So this is how you can align your text or elements perfectly with the position options. So here is the tip number 8. If you want to put a hyperlink in your PDF or document, which link you want to use your customer, and if they click on the link, and they will go to a destinated website. For me, let's just take it as an example. For this one, I want to select this text, and I want my customer go to Google. All you have to do, just select the text you want to make hyperlink, and click on the three dot right here, and you will find a option which called linked. You can do it by shortcut Ctrl plus K. I will just click in here, and I am going to type google.com. Sorry, this will just I'm typing the title Google and make it google.com. It will be like this and done. If we just save this as a PDF, you can find this document. I mean, if you click on in here, it will be take you to Google. So as you can see, I have opened this PDF, and we have created this to a link. So let's just test it. I'm just going to click on here, and as you can see, the link get me to this website, whatever we have typed. So this is the information you can use for your project. I hope this video will help you to make your work faster and more efficient. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe. Thank you.